discussion about set, how to create the set functions. Dictionary started already. Sir, if you want to represent a group of individual elements, one single entity, then we can go with list or tuple or set. If you want to provide values as a key value pairs, then you need to go to the dictionary data type. Same concept in the C++, Java, they are calling as a mapping, whereas in Perl script, Ruby, they can call it as a hash. How to create dictionary? D equal to open close curling brace, or by using the dict function, we can create the dictionary. Once a dictionary is created, how to add the data? D of key value, anything. Sir, values may be duplicate accepted. Key does not accepted duplicates. For example, sir, now how to create the dictionary? So whatever functions are available there. Functions of dictionary. The first function itself is a, what is the function? Dict. It is to create one empty dictionary. That is the first function. Dict is the function. For example, open IDLE. Yes, here D equal to dict is the function. Inside I have to provide key value pairs. 100, first value 200, 300, type of D, print the D. 100, 200, 300. This is the first way. Second way is I want to go with dict is the function. Inside I can provide, sir, square brackets are nothing but list. Inside list you have to give first tuple, second tuple, third tuple. List of the tuples we can provided there. List of the tuples we can provided. So inside you have to give the values, that is 1 Karina, 2 3. Now what is the type of D? Dictionary only. Third way is D equal to same dict function. Sir, previously I'm given list of the tuples. Now we have to given inside tuple, first one, second one, third one. Tuple of the tuples. Previously, have you observed carefully? This is called as list of the first tuple, second tuple, third tuple. Now, tuple of the tuples, first one, second one, third one, any number of values you can provide. For example, I'm given A for apple, B for S for very good, Sunny Leone. Now go with type of D. Syntax error. Sorry. టుప్పులు కదా అది. I did mistake. కోలన్ కాదు, కామా. This is the way of creating our dictionary. Can you raise your voice? One more. బాగానే ఉంది కదా ఇది. Take this one. D1, D2, D3. This is the three ways are there to create the dictionary. Your voice is low. ఏమైంది దీనికి? Print D1, D2, D3. That is the first function, dict function. Sir, second one, everybody knows about this length. How many values are there in dictionary? It will be displayed. More explanation is not required for that, because so many times we are using this one length function. It returns the number of items in the dictionary. Third one also, clear. It is to remove all elements from the dictionary. Total will be gone. To remove all the elements from the dict, sir. First function dict, second one length, third one clear. Sir, fourth one very important function, get. Get function. Get function. Hmm? Japan spelling. జపాన్ అలాగే రాస్తారు. ఐఎమ్ ఫైన్. నీ పుణ్యం అని బాగానే ఉన్నా. సార్ ఫోర్త్ వన్ గెట్ కమాండ్. సార్ చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా, గెట్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫంక్షన్. Sir, చూడండి, how get is working means, sir, I'm creating one dictionary, 100 with the name of Sunny, 200 with the name of Bunny, and 300 with the name of Winnie is there. Okay. Now, this is the dictionary values. First, in the last class, I explained how to access data from dictionary. This is the way. How I am accessing D of 100, 200, 300. D with the key, it will get the data. So, from this, D of 100 I am given. What is the value available? Sunny is available there. It will be displayed. For example, I'm given, sir, D of 500. Is it available? No. Key error. Same thing already we discussed in our last class. You got 100 Sunny, 300 Winnie, 500 key error is there. Fine. Now the command is, what is the command I'm discussing? Get command. What get command is doing means, for example, D dot get of 100. D dot get of or 200 I'm given. So 200 keys available, not available? Available. So it will return same only. And this one D of 100, D dot get of 200, both are same. But what is the difference means? In the previous case, I'm using D of 500. The specified key is not there. I'm getting key error. Now D dot get of 500 I'm asking. 500 key is there, not there. It won't return any error. It will return none. Print D dot get off, go with 500. What is the value it is provided? None. So get command won't raise error. If the key is available, corresponding value. If the key is not available, specified key, what is the return value? None. That is the major difference of the get command. Here in this case, if directly we are accessing, we are getting key error. By using get, it will give none. One more possibility is, that is, voice. Everyone clear my voice? In your phone, you can increase the volume. Everyone getting clarity. Your side problem is there. Sir, now another possibility is, for example, D dot, sir, get of 500 comma. I want to raise our own value. Previous case, what happened? D dot get of 500 directly I'm given. If the key is not available, it return which value? None. Don't return none. My own value I want to return, then I can give some value. Now what will happen? Instead of none, it will return, that value will be returned. Now my question is, in the dictionary previous values are Sunny, Bunny, Winnie is there. Now I'm using get of 500 pinning. If I want to print the D, what is the values? The 500 key is added or not added? Added? Added, not added? No, because get means reading only. If I'm using the set command, then it will set the data. Just I'm accessing. If the key is available, corresponding value. If the key is not available, none, not added. Okay. Just only 3 values are available there. That is the get command. So the main advantage of get command is, if the specified key is not available, none. If you don't want none, you want to raise your own value, then give that value. That is the get command. It is to get the value associated with the keys are. First, D dot get of key. If the key is available, then returns the corresponding value. Otherwise, returns none, sir. If the key is available, then returns the corresponding value. If the key is not there, it will return none. It won't raise any error. Second, D dot get of key comma default value. That is the get command. Get of 100. So now in this case, if the key is not there, pinny we are getting now. Suppose D dot get of 100 comma pinny. Now what is the output? Sunny na pinny na? Pinny. Sunny. Pinny. Babai. Sunny only because if the key is available, what I'm telling, the corresponding value. If it is not there, then only which value? Default value. D dot get of 100 comma. Now it will return Sunny. If the specified key is not there, then only default value. That is the outputs. Next function pop. Sir, pop means this is the dictionary values. D dot pop of key we can provide compulsory. Without key it is invalid. Now the data will be gone 100 key. If the specified key not available, we will get error. D dot pop of 500. 500 is not there. We are getting key error. Direct pop function is invalid. D dot pop of I want to provide key. It removes the entry associated with the specified key and returns the corresponding value. It removes the entry associated with the specified key and return that value. Which value removed, that value will be returned. If the key is not there, then error. What is the third one? If the specified key is not available, sir, then we will get a key error. D ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఇక్కడ ఉంది. The specified key corresponding value. That is the fifth one, pop function. Next one, pop item. Pop item. One random element will be removed. Here we are not providing any keys, sir. So is a dictionary. Here how many values are there? Two are there. D dot pop item. Which item it is removed, it will be displayed. Winnie gone. Only one available there. Suppose D dot pop item again, it will also gone. Dictionary empty. In empty dictionary, you can use pop item. Then we will get key error because of dictionary is empty. Pop item. It removes an random item. Any key value from the dictionary and it will return that value. So here D pop item gone one. If the dictionary is empty, Then we will get key error. D equal to empty, D dot pop item. Then we are getting an error. That is the pop item. So now in this dictionary, 100, 200, 300 are keys. Sunny, Bunny, Winnie are values. I want to display only keys. Then D dot a function is there. What is the function? Keys. It will display all the keys in the list. I want to read one by one, one by one, one by one using for loop. For key కాబట్టి I'm using k or any value you can use I, any one variable for k in D dot are keys. Print, what can I print? K. Then you will get all the keys 100, 200, 300. No, sir, I want to get the values now for each value in D dot. This time function is values, sir. Print of V. All the corresponding values. I can require key and value both. I can require, sir, not only keys and values, both I want required. Okay. For k comma value in D dot, the function is items. Print k, sorry, k and v. Then key value printed there. So like that, keys, values, items, three functions are there. Seventh one, keys. It returns all keys associated with dictionary. First one is values. It returns all values associated with dictionary. values. Sir, here I am using for loop. Okay. That's why I'm getting key value, key value. As if I'm using directly print d dot items, what it will return, check it. It is written list of first tuple, second tuple, third tuple. This is the list of the tuples it will be returned. So ninth one items. It returns a list of tuples represented key value pairs. K comma B items print K B. Where in single line I'm written, so indentation not required. Within the for loop, multiple statements are there, then compulsory we have to maintain indentation. Single statement, that's why directly we can write it, no problem. Both are same. Tenth one, copy. Cloned copy will be created. Duplicate independent copy. Exactly. Duplicate dictionary. It is also called as a cloned copy. Same content, independent copy will be created. Here, this is the dictionary D. I can give D1 equal to sir D dot copy. D1 content also same. You can ask ID of D. You can ask ID of D1. Both are different. So two copies are available there. 11. Set default. Previous command is get command. It is to read the value from the dictionary. Now set the value means, for example, so this is my dictionary. This is the values are available there. I want to go with brain d dot set default of 100 comma pinny. What will happens? Sunny can be replaced with pinny. Now check this one. Is it replaced? No. Set to default means, sir, if your specified key is available there, whatever corresponding value, that value will be written. Because 100 key is there, Sunny will be returned. But what is the use of this one means? If the specified key is not available, if the specified key is not available, for example, same with 1, 2, 3, I'm given 400. Now what will happen? This key value pair will be added to your dictionary. Now check the D. Added. That is the meaning of set to default. Set to default means if the specified key is available, the corresponding value it will be written. If the specified key is not available, the value will be added to dictionary. That is set default. If the key already available, then this function returns the corresponding value. If the key is not available, then the specified key value will be added as a new item to the dictionary. Mutable dictionaries are That is the set default. Set default means if already key is available, whatever value is there, that value will be returned. If the specified key is not available, then only this key value will be added to dictionary. None is there, none will be returned, not replaced. Our last one, update. Update means just like extend function in the list. In the list, how extend function is working. Extend is there in the list. How it is working. One list of items will be added to another list. L1 equal to chicken, mutton, fish. L2, order 1, order 2. Extend is there, na? Same like that. One dictionary items I want to add it to another dictionary, then I can go with update. Completed up to here. See this one. I have a dictionary. Only two values are there. I have to take another dictionary D1 equal to 1 colon go with 2 colon bus. D dot update of D1, sir. So all D1 values will be added to D. Previously in the dictionary, two values are there. Now I updated D1. D1 values will be added to existing dictionary D. Example, directly you can update like this also. Update of list of first one, second one. First time given as a 333, comma, A. Next, 999, comma, B. These two values will be updated to your dictionary. So like that, you need to update your dictionary values. D dot update of X. All items in the dictionary X will be added to dictionary D. వస్తుందా నిద్ర ఇది Value may be common, no problem. If the key is same is there, it will be replaced. For example, in the D1 also 100 with Katrina is there. Then what will happen? Sunny will be replaced with this Katrina. So key does not accepted. Yeah, that is the update. These are all the functions in dictionary data type. I will check it. మర్చిపోయా చూస్తా ఒకసారి. Set and which one? Frozen set. Only difference is set is mutable, frozen set is immutable. Because set will be freezed. Already given na in starting data types. In your childhood starting classes, check it data types. At the time I'm given list 7, 8 rules, tuple set, frozen set. Check that I'm given examples also. Frozen set means it should be freezed. I'm not able to add those things. For example, I have s equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. The type of s, it is a set. I want to change s of 0 equal to 100. Sorry, set indexing is not supported kada. So s dot add of 10, 20, 30 kada 50 added. Yes. Now I can make it as a freeze. Now fs equal to frozen set of what am? Yes. Now, what is the type of fs? It should be frozen set. Now try to add to the fs, not s. S is a set, fs is the frozen set. If I want to add 100, no chance. Fs dot remove of 10, no chance. But in s, I can remove, I can add, anything is possible. That is the difference of set and frozen set. The next one, functions are completed. These are all the 12 functions are there. Dict, length, clear, pop item keys, values items, get. Get is the main important command, sir. Next level upcoming programs, frequently used function, get function. Get major advantage is it does not return any error. If the key is available, value. Key is not there, none. No, if you want to read your own value, you can provide your default value also. Index not supported by Dict. Index is not there. By using key, you can access someone. Indexing is applicable only for list and tuple string. Completed. Next program is write a program to find number of occurrences of each letter present in the given string. Number of occurrences of each letter present in the given string. So you can ask a word from the keyboard. Input, enter any word. Suppose assume that my word is what is the word? That is the word. In that, M is available how many times? One time. I is available four times. S is available three. P is available two. That I want to display. M occurs one time. I occurs four times. S three times. P two times. So each letter how many times available there? That is my concept. How to write? Anyone try? Each letter available how many times? Get. Get off. What will happen then? Sir, sure now. Oh, open test.py. Mahesh classes test.py. This is the file. Remove this. Sir, ask any word from the keyboard, sir. Input function is there. Enter any word stored into a variable that is word. Sir, what is my word? This is the word. Assume that. Okay. First, sir, take one empty dictionary. How to create empty dictionary? You know, D equal to open close cutting braces. Okay, empty dictionary is there. What is the meaning of this one? For X in word, and what will happen? First time, what is X value? M. Next to I. Next to S. So every iteration, every letter is coming and assigning to the X. So that is the for loop. Okay, fine. Just I'm telling one command D dot get of X. D dot get of X. Actually, initially in the D, any values are there, sir? Nothing, empty dictionary. So D dot get of X and observe carefully. X is first M. Ante D dot get of M. Actually, D lo nothing empty. So what is the return value? It return none. Because just now I'm telling na, because D is empty. For example, in this dictionary, M is available there containing 3. Now, what is the meaning of line number? This one, D dot get of X ante. What is the output? What is X value? M. D dot get of M. Dictionary M is there, not there? Yes. What is the return value? 3. Actually, present dictionary nothing empty. Then what is the return value? None. Don't return none. I want to return 0. Then what is the output? 0 will return. Okay. 0 less 1. Now, what is the output? 1. Come to left side, assigning the value. D of X equal to. Now, what is the output we are getting here? What is the line number 4? This line, what it will do? Simple. Your dictionary is empty dictionary. Okay, done. First time empty dictionary. Okay. Now, I'm asking D dot get of X. First time, what is the X value? M. M does not contain because dictionary empty dictionary, return value 0. 0 plus 1 means 1. So what is that line number? D of x equal to 1. What is the D of x value? M. Ante in your dictionary, M with 1 will be added. Yes or no? That is the meaning. M will assigning 1 because one empty dictionary is there. How to add the data to empty dictionary? D of key equal to value. That is the meaning. D of x, D of M equal to D dot get of x. First initial dictionary empty. Nothing values added there. Sir, in the next iteration. What is the D? X value? I. అంటే ఏం జరుగుతుంది ఇప్పుడు D of I equal to D dot get of x. D dot get of I. Dictionary M is available. I is there. Not there. So what is the return value? 0. 0 plus 1 means 1. So D of I equal to 1. Then what will happen, sir? In your dictionary, the value is updated. M will become 1. I will become 1. Getting clarity or not? Next iteration. What is the value? Yes. D dot get of S. D lo S is there? Not there. Return value 0. 0 plus 1 means 1. Then what will happen? S will be assigning to the 1. In the next iteration, what is the value? Yes. Now dictionary S is there, not there. So what is the return value? 0 na 1 na? This time 1, not 0, because already S is there. 1 plus 1, 2. So is it updated with 2 or not? Next iteration, I. I is available. So written value 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Next value. Yes, S is available. Yes, 2 plus 1, 3. Next I available 3. Next P not there. Return value 0. 0 plus 1, 1. A new value will be added to a dictionary. P will become 1. Next available update. Next I available 3 plus 1. This dictionary is available there. So I'm creating one empty dictionary. I added one by one value. Up to here, check this. Command prompt. D type. CD, my classes, py, test dot py, enter any word, move. I didn't save this one. Previous program executed. Last class program it is executed. Enter any word, Mississippi. Yo, you are not printed dictionary. Now, print out what I want to print. D, sir. Now, am I getting same output or not? So, but that is not my requirement is don't print a dictionary, user understandable format. Okay. How to, yes, just I'm given a function. What is the function? Items, key value pairs. Now, for sir, each key value in D dot, what is the function? Items, print K occurs. How many times? V times. Oh, single quotes missing. Yeah. Now enter word. M is occurs one time. I and V. Came not came. That is the way. Sir, at the time of printing, another format is also there. Print. What it is? Dot format. What can I use? Can I use K comma V? First replacement K, second replacement V. This is also same. Printing statements, your wish, anything you can provide. Advanced technology is the strings. At the time of formatted strings, three types are there. One is percentage D, I is there now. That is the first formatted. Second one, this one. When compared with these two latest one, F strings are there. That is, I will explain the new features. Nowadays, everyone using F strings. F string is the best one when compare all these. Sir, anyone write this logic, this program? Same concept only, but my requirement is not each letter, each vowel. Mississippi lo, how many vowels are there? Only one is there, I only. In this example, I printed each and every letter M, I, S, P, but I'm asking only vowels. Means only this output I can require. M, S, P, I don't want. How to write it? Hmm. Where can I give if condition? Hmm. Write the logic. This time I can require only vowels, not each and every letter. Only vowels, not every letter. If we have to write one if condition, where can I write that if condition? What is that condition? Sir, check this in this program. Sir, now for X in word means every time it is taken M, I, S, every letter it is reading and added it to the dictionary. I have to take one vowels. I have to take EV. Here for X in word, I'm adding directly to dictionary. Before that, you have to check if X in vowels, then only it will be added to dictionary. Now same output you can give. Previously every letter it is coming. Now which one it is coming? Only I only. Sunny, only you is there. Naresh IT. A, E three times, I two times, O two times. So this is the way of checking only vowels. Completed. The next program is write a program. You have to accept some student name and their marks. In the Saturday class, in the dictionary, first program that is only explained for you. Last program. Idigondi. Enter name, percentage of marks. Ante first I can accept the student name and percentage of marks. Now also same. You can accept the student name and marks. Keyboard. And stored into one dictionary. This thing already we know. Saturday explained. Now, you have to display, sir, student marks. Last class ఏం చేసాం directly printed student name marks, total names marks printed. Now no, don't print all student. You can ask student name, display student marks by taking input as a student. That is the concept. Suppose I have some 3 students are there, okay? Sunny, some 98 marks, Bunny, Winnie, 3 students are there. I'm asking enter student name. I'm entering student name as Sunny, available 90. I'm entering Bunny, available some 85 something. I'm entering Mahesh, not there. You can print not found. I'm entering Katrina, not found. I'm entering Karina, not found. I'm entering Winnie, available. Print the marks. So if the student is available, print the marks. If not available, you can print not found, not error. So like that, you can continue the loop until you want to exit from the application. That is the concept here. For this, first of all, how to accept student name, marks from the keyboard. Last class already explained this one. Input student name, input marks, record of name, marks. Then is it created dictionary or not? Yes. Up to here, common only. Check this. As first, how many students you want to enter? Input, enter number of students stored into n. It is a string, sir, convert into integer. Now take one empty dictionary. This is empty dictionary. Now for I in range of n. What is the n value? Those many times for loop is working. Now input, enter student name, student name. I am entering stored into variable. What it is? Names are next marks, input, enter marks. Now, how to add d of name equal to marks. Key value pairs added there. This loop will be continued until that range of times. Just print d. What is happening? Check this. Clear the screen, run the program. Enter students 3. Student name Sunny. Marks 98. Student name Bunny. Marks 89. Student name Ninni. Marks 90. Dictionary created? Yes, created. But don't display directly like this dictionary. What is my concept? Next one. You can take input as a student name and print that marks. Suppose if I'm entering as a Sunny, yes, available there. Remove this statement. Yeah. If I'm asking Sunny marks, display 98. If I'm asking Bunny, 89. If I'm asking Winnie, 90. If I'm asking Mahesh, not found. If I'm asking Katrina, not found. Like that, my output I can required. So how many times I want to run, I don't know. That's why I can make it as a while true. What is the meaning of while true? Infinite loop. Keep on, it is asking only one find. I will give break statement. Then it will be breaking. Okay, now ask student name. Input, enter student name to get the marks. Enter student name to get the marks. I entered some name. Yeah. How to read the data? I'm entering Sunny. Sunny marks I can require. How to read the data from dictionary? Can I use get command? So d dot get of name, comma -1. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of that line? This line, line number 9. What it will happens? If I am entering Sunny name, am I getting 98 or -1? 98. Am I entering Mahesh? Then marks will become -1. Because what is the get command? If the name is available, marks, not available, default value. What is the default value? -1. Now I am comparing what is the marks. I don't know what is the marks. If marks equal to -1, then what is the meaning? Until that student is not there kada. Yes or no? Yes, when -1 will become, if a specified student is not there, -1. No, condition not satisfied. What to do? Else block. Print the student marks. The marks of what I want to print, comma, name, comma, R. What I want to print? Marks. So now are you getting it, everyone? I'm asking name, get off name. If name is there, marks will be stored. Not there, what is the marks? -1. If marks equal to -1, it will printed. So it is not -1, then the marks will be printed there. Now, do you want to continue or not? Ask to the end user input. Do you want to find? Do you want to find another student marks? I have given two options, yes or no. Stored into variable option. Sir, if the end user option is, if he is given no, okay, no problem, break. If it is yes, it will continue. Yeah, come outside of the loop, print one, just a message. Thanks for using our app. Using now, run this. Yeah, enter student name to get the marks. Sir, first I'm entering as a Sunny. So line number 9 will be executed there. Get off name. Sunny is there, not there? Available. That marks will be stored into there. It will be printed. Yes. How many marks are there? 98 marks. So do you want to continue? Yes. Next student. Mahesh. Mahesh is there? Not there. Student not found. So what is the next one? Karina. No. Katrina. No. Deepika. No. Am I getting? Not getting? So yeah. Enter name. Sunny. Available. Enter. Do you want to continue? Yes. Enter name. Bunny. I'm getting marks. Yes. Student marks. Winnie. Yes. Do you want to continue? Yes. Student name. Not there. Do you want to continue? Yes. Student name. Do you want to continue? Yes. When it will stop? Whenever you are given? No. Yes. Marks. Sorry. Ikkada no. Now idigondi. Thanks for using our application. Whenever I'm entering no. Whenever you're asking yes, yes, it is continue. Whenever given no, it will stop. If student is there, their marks. If student is not there, student not found. This is the way of writing backend logics. State I can use square brackets. If I'm given parenthesis, then it is a parenthesis. Suppose in my program, I'm given square brackets, it is list. If I give parenthesis, then ఏంటిది parenthesis means I'm asking comprehension, not data type. Parenthesis is what it is. ఇది set నాయన. In the last class we discussed na set comprehensions. Parenthesis is what it is. Tuple. Am executed, not executed. At the time of differences also I'm given list to supported comprehension. Tuple does not support comprehension. It is a generator. What it is, I will explain generator concept. But all are completed. How to create dictionary comprehension. Square brackets list. If you want, I will execute. Tuple. Generator, yes. Tuple, wrong, tuple. Everyone telling tuple only. Chonde simple program. Completed? This one. ఇది చెప్పి చాలా అయింది నేను మాస్టర్ నాట్ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ అట్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ tuple I explained this one. అయింది మేడం. Comprehension means first for loop for x in range of 1, 6, sir. I go with x star x. give as a square brackets, then it should be a list stored into some variable L. Print the type of L. I'm not printing value, just I want to display types only. Okay. Now run the program. What it is? List. If I'm given as a parenthesis, tuple comprehension is not there. It should be valid program only, but the type is generator. What is generator? I will explain. Okay. Now, if I go with the curling braces, then it should be a set. But all three possibilities are done. How to give dictionary? All at three, which is square brackets completed, parentheses completed, curling braces completed. One is list, one is generator, one is set. How to declare my dictionary? List and sir, how to give? Where can I give? Sir, dictionary means what it is? Key value pairs are there in the dictionary. Okay. Now, within the same program, no. Observe here. X star X means the result it is printed. For example, I will print the result. Types already you are getting it. Now print L. Print L. Squares it will be printed. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, fine. Dictionary means key value pairs are required. I want to go with X colon. Then what is the meaning? X means value. X star X means evaluated. So value, result, key value pairs are came. Now it is a dictionary. It's going to be 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25. Like that, it will be printed. If I want to go with doubles, for example, 2 star X, then 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5. This one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Dictionary or not? Yes, like that key value pairs you can provide, but that is last one dictionary comprehensions. Dictionary comprehensions. Before cut. No, invalid. So now all the starting basic chapters are completed. Next main thing is functions. The core Python only three topics are there. Functions. Evne. Sai, what are the remaining topics? And all class ki. Functions, modules, packages. Core Python is completed then. It take a day for core. Nakana super class English nu.